Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Well, after all this long wait and 3 boards later, count them, 3,000 boards, it seemed like 3,000 boards. 3 boards later, taking that furnace apart 5 times. You got to take the whole mess apart to get to it. You got to pull the whole furnace out of the box and mess around. We got it running, and I don't know if you can see the little blue flame in there, but she's running. And I got the thermostat set for 70, and I put another vent in going down towards the floor there. It's a little makeshift right now, but it is climbing. We're finally getting somewhere with this mess. We got nice warm air coming out of all the vents. Oh yeah, nice warm air. Now we can get out here and clean this lathe up, finish the job that I started. You betcha. Got quite a bit of work. While I was away though, I put fluid film all over the chuck and all over the ways and stuff. So I guess that's what you call it. Yep, fluid film. That stuff will keep stuff from rusting. I got mine at Walmart, and this stuff, good stuff. Really good stuff. I'm gonna put it all over the ways in the chuck, because I noticed it started getting a little bit of rust, so we fixed it before it became a problem. Now we got heat in the shop again. Thank you, Lord. Nice. Alright, folks. I gotta move this thermometer though. I don't believe it's very accurate. Put it over there in the corner. I gotta figure out a place over here for it. Just not sure yet where. Figure out a place. I was going to put it right there. Don't worry that the cover's not on that, because it's not even live. It's not a live outlet. That's a work in progress. There we go. Now she's starting to climb back up, because over there in the corner it was starting to drop, and I was like, I haven't shut the heat off, so how could it be dropping? Alright, so we brought it over there. Now we're going to let this warm up in here. Boy, I got a lot of stuff to finish up, and I ended up getting me another grinder because I got tired of switching from the cutoff wheel to the flat discs. Got another grinder at Walmart, and I don't buy expensive ones because they don't last any longer. I had a couple expensive ones, and when you burn up a Makita, you get real mad, or DeWalt or any of those, you get real mad. You burn up a $20 grinder and you're like, oh well. And they work the same. They don't make any more noise, or they don't have any less power. I know I've owned 3 or 4 different high dollar brands, and those are just fine. They're about the same. Alright, well, we're gonna let that thing warm up. At least we got heat. Nice. Let the work commence. I haven't been feeling the best. Let me turn this thing around. Actually, let me push the button to reverse it. How do we do that? Not really sure how you do that.